Welcome to my YouTube channel Shradha's Diet and Tip. Today we are going to prepare cauliflower fried rice or cauliflower rice. First of all, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I have taken 2 cauliflowers. We'll clean the cauliflower and we'll separate the florets one by one. Once this is done, we'll blend this into a blender and we'll make rice like consistency. If you don't have a blender, you can take grater and you can grate it. You'll get same consistency that you will get in a blender. See how it looks? Just like rice. Now we'll remove this in a clean bowl and we'll keep it aside. By the time we'll chop all the vegetables, I've taken bell peppers, yellow, orange and green and red. Also have taken carrot and onion. All vegetables into small pieces. I like chopping vegetables into small pieces, but if you want, you can chop vegetables the way you want. The vegetables that I have taken rich in antioxidants, also rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber as well. These vegetables will make my recipe colorful and nutrient rich. I forgot garlic, so we'll take garlic as well. We'll clean the garlic and we'll chop it into fine pieces. If you don't want to chop it, you can just grate it or you can just fry it and mash it as well. Garlic will enhance the taste of my recipe, so I'm adding it. Now all my ingredients are ready, so let's cook. Switch on the flame and take a clean utensil. Pour oil. Once the oil is heated, we will fry chopped garlic till it turns golden brown. Once my garlic is done, I'll just fry my onions till it turns golden brown. Now we'll add carrot and cook for a few seconds. Once the carrots are done, we'll add peas to it. I like peas, so I'm adding peas to it and it will increase my nutrient content. Once these are done, we'll add bell peppers and we'll cook this for 4 minutes. My bell peppers are done. We'll add cauliflower. Now we'll mix it well. And then once it's done, we'll add soya sauce, salt as per taste, black pepper powder as per taste, well, and cook for a few minutes. Once this is done, switch off the flame and squeeze lemon. Mix it well. This is ready to serve. Cauliflower fried rice, really tastes so yum, flavorful, yum.